I'm crimping my hair today because I'm not really somebody who knows how to style my hair. So I got the Wavytalk hair crimper and I've crimped my hair with it once before. I have this cowlick in the back of my scalp too, but we're just gonna section my hair in half. Angle it down this way and hold it down for 6 seconds, and then it's gonna beep. And I'm just gonna keep moving it down where the wave last ended until my piece is done. So let's go. Easy. Okay. Nice. So first part done, and now it's like going down that way. Kind of. Okay, one half done. I like crimping my hair because now that cowlick that I had in the back, it's kind of hidden a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna take some hairspray, spray it down. I'm just gonna squeeze it up. Try to get the waves in place. All right, let's do the next side. I feel like cousin it right now. Okay, and that is my crimped hair. I feel pretty good about buying the Wavytalk crimper with that S-shaped crimper iron. I think I'll just get better at this over time, but honestly, I like it. I like the crimper. I'm gonna keep crimping my hair, I think. I'm getting used to it.